acids and bases, pH scale. Before we begin talking about pH scale, let's talk about what is called self-ionization of water. As you know, water is composed by 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Water can be separated or ionized into hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion, and this is called self-ionization of water. A representation of this is what you can see at the bottom of the screen. Now, let's talk about concentration. What is the amount of the concentration of fish in the school? In chemistry, the amount of an ion molecule of substance is called concentration and is represented with a double bracket. Example, the concentration of fish above is 101. Now, find the concentration of penguins and bears. Yes, you're right. We have 4 penguins and we have 4 bears. Now, think that the penguins are hydrogen ions and the bears are hydroxide ions. In this case, we'll have 4 hydrogen ions and 4 hydroxide ions. When the concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions is the same, we call it a neutral solution. For aqueous solutions, the products of both concentrations equal the ion product constant for water, that is called K water. Then K water equals the concentration of hydrogen times the concentration of hydroxide and is equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 14. If the concentration of hydrogen ions is bigger than the concentration of hydroxide ions, it is called acidic solution. If the concentration of hydroxide ions is bigger than the concentration of hydrogen ions, it is called basic solution. Your turn. Stop the video and classify each solution as acidic, basic, or neutral. When you're ready, play the video back again so you can compare your answers. Good luck! A different way to express concentration of hydrogen ions is the pH scale. The pH scale was discovered by Søren Sørensen, Danish, and he found out that the pH equals the negative log base 10 of the concentration of hydrogen ions. Therefore, the concentration of hydrogen ions equals 10 to the power of the pH. With this, he found out the scale that we use today, where it starts in 0, goes to 7, and then to 14. As we know today, from 7 to 0, that is when we have an acid or acidic solution. 7 is considered neutral, and from 7 to 14, that is called alkali or alkalinity. Here are some examples on the right about this kind of pH. Now, what happened to our well-known friend hydroxide? Well, Søren Sørensen developed also a formula that relates both of them. The pH plus the pOH equals 14. Now, if we want the pH, just moving around the formula, you get 14 minus the pOH. So, another way to see this picture, you can see it in here. When the pH is 0, the pOH will be 14. When the pH is 7, the pOH will be also 7. And when the pH is 14, the pOH will be 0. Now is your turn and try this. Find the pH and the pOH of each solution. Stop the video Do them, and when you are ready, play it back again so you can compare your answers. Good luck! pH meters are used today for making a rapid and accurate pH measurement. Here are some of them. Thank you very much.